What's the meaning of Carl Perkins? Carl Perkins. Carl Perkins.
Carl Perkins. Carl Perkins. Carl Perkins was an American singer, songwriter, and guitarist who is best known for his rockabilly music. He rose to fame in the 1950s with hits like Blue Suede Shoes and Matchbox. Perkins' music influenced many other musicians, including the Beatles, who covered several of his songs, and Elvis Presley, who recorded a version of Blue Suede Shoes. Perkins continued to perform and record music throughout his career, earning a place in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1987. He passed away in 1998 at the age of 65.